lighting on the tree that makes it move.
I knew it was not that.
We're glowing. Oh, look at your shirt. Your shirt's fully glowing. Look at me, Shannon. Shannon. Yeah, your hat. Yeah, Dad's hat's really glowing. What about you, Mark? Your socks are glowing. Yeah, get in the full on light. I've got nothing white on. Oh, look at your socks. Let's see your hat. Is your hat glowing? Is your hat glowing? Oh, so we can see the owls. No, here, put your head up. I can see the Florida part of your hat is glowing.
It looks like Dad's all dirty. It looks like he's all dirty.
Yeah.
Sorry.
That's cool.
You. Wait, what?
Oh.
What?
I've got speckles.
What about me? Oh my gosh, look at my black shirt.
Yeah. So where are we? Pandora land? With Animal Kingdom, there's a glow part. It seems cool. So we are going to have dinner at the Rainforest Cafe.